big boss dog, Snoop Double G, laying down the law on how to turn a negative jam into a righteous slam. We talking about that Jiggy D'Agostino classic that got flipped into a neo-Nazi earworm. But hold up, DJ Mo from Germany is here to remix that mess into a message we all need to hear. Check it, instead of bouncing to that grim, DJ Mo is dropping a new vibe on the track. He's spinning mutual aid where the hate used to hang, and flipping to roast and four-leg. This ain't just catchy, it's a straight up movement, baby. Let me spit some truth. Mutual aid ain't just smooth talk. It's a powerful lesson from maybe the first pop star, the genius who was all about spreading love even when he was seeking asylum. This cat preached about folks and animals living better together, way before we could even share that wisdom at the speed of light. And y'all, today's tech is just proving him right. Now, let's groove on Wohlstand for LA, or Prosperity for All. This line's deep. It's the German title of a book by this wise soul, way before it got snapped up as a slogan by some big political players. But let's keep it real. The original idea was about making sure everyone gets their slice of the pie, the real humane way.
Essa é mais uma produção de qualidade e competência de quem sabe fazer o melhor. John Lucas Remix, inovando sempre.
So, can anyone really top DJ Mo's mix of turning a neo-Nazi bummer into a beat that's all about humanity? That's gonna be tough, cause this DJ ain't just spinning records. He's spinning a change that's lighting up the whole club. And if that old hateful tune is still stuck in your head, remember what your Uncle Snoop says. Change the record, change the vibe. Let's pump those beats about unity, lifting each other up and sharing the balance. That's how we turn the music up and the hate way down. Next time you catch yourself humming that track, throw in some mutual aid and Wohlstand for LA, and feel how quick the air shifts. That's the dope power of music, baby. It moves your feet and moves your soul. Keep it locked, loaded with love, and always keep it righteous. Snoop Dogg's here to remind you to keep every track lit but make it count for good. Peace out. And let's make sure every beat drops for the benefit of all.